It's time to get fucking ultimate on this episode of Sizzletastic TV. We're gonna make the most fucking ultimate chili on the fucking planet so we can shit our fucking selves to ultimate death. Come with me, fucking warriors, for this next fucking episode, Sizzletastic TV. So, ultimate thought warriors. Tonight we have 3 different types of beans, cause we're the thought warriors. And maybe tonight we'll fight the big one. I feel the thoughts coming over me. My stomach's in pain. I feel the toilets calling out, calling ultimate fucking names. Yeah, they're calling my ultimate name. So let's go fucking get farting with our fucking 3-bean fucking chili, Sizzletastic TV. We're gonna fucking make this a fucking ultimate fucking chili coming up for you with 3 beans, 2 different types of meat, chocolate, and chili powder. We're gonna make fucking fart stew. Ultimate fart stew. We're getting fucking ultimate with our fart chili tonight. So we got 2 different types of meat to help you fart. Good, healthy protein fucking farts. Cause the ultimate warrior likes his fucking protein. Do you like your fucking protein farts, cameraman?
Yep. Yes.
Don't they smell nice and fucking meaty when they're coming out of your rectum? You have to fucking make them fucking ultimate with the garlic powder and the red chili and the seasonal. We are seasoning our fucking meat. We have ultimate meat. You only want the most ultimate meat for the most ultimate fart chili. So there's our fucking ultimate meat. We are gonna turn this on. If I can fucking see with this fucking ultimate mask on what the fuck I am doing. And we are going to fucking make our meat the fuck ultimate. In the meantime, we've got our fucking beans. We're gonna add our beans into the fucking water because we need a shit really healthy with our beans. Don't they contain fucking ultimate fiber, cameraman?
Yep.
Ultimate shitting power right there. Because we want to be the fucking most ultimate thought warriors in the fucking universe. For the fucking gods of the fucking Googleax can come and smell our ultimate fucking thoughts on Sizzletastic TV. Oh, now we're gonna add in some ultimate fucking broth to make it fucking ultimate so it tastes good. And some ultimate chili powder so it burns when it comes out of your butthole. Make it the fucking burn! Feel the burn! And the gods of the Googleax when you shit yourself. You're just gonna fucking take this shit and you're just gonna sound like this on the fucking toilet. It's gonna fucking sound like a symphony of shits for the gods of the Googleax, and they like that shit. They like when it's fucking ultimate. You don't want to shit yourself, fucking ultimate studio fucking audience. We're gonna add in some chili pods. So it burns even fucking more when you're fucking shitting yourself. Add in your fucking chili pods. And then we have cactus. At the end of the show, we're gonna get fucking ultimate and maybe we'll fucking be able to open a fucking cactus. The fucking ultimate warrior needs fucking more protein to open the cactus.
This ultimate warrior is gonna have to open that.
Yes, the other ultimate warrior film person is gonna have to fucking open it later. It sounds sizzle-fucking-tastic. We are not gonna be stingy on our meat tonight. We will also be adding in vegetables because the ultimate warrior believes that vegetables also help you fart. Our ultimate meat. We'll be back with our fucking ultimate vegetables. Sizzletastic TV. Click the fucking ads and be fucking ultimate with me, motherfuckers. Make it fucking ultimate when you fucking open it. Yes, I like when you do that. That turns me on when you twist my fucking ultimate knob. Ultimate! Show me your ultimate warrior face! There you go. He is the fucking ultimate warrior. Look at his fucking arms. They're beautiful. We're gonna take and we're gonna chop our fucking vegetables that we've grown from the gardens of the gods of Googleax we're gonna fucking chop the fucking ultimate. It does not matter what shape or what size, as long as they get into the fucking fox stewed chili, so we can fucking fart ultimate. Take your tomatoes and you fucking chop them up. Do the fucking work of the ultimate fart warrior. Add your tomatoes into your chili pot. That is what your shit is going to look like later as you sing to the gods of the Google system on the fucking toilet. We will do the fucking shit work. Who needs coolies when you can be ultimate with me? Next, we have ultimate bell peppers. We are going to add our ultimate bell peppers into our ultimate fucking fart chili. 1 bell pepper. They will cook down. It does not matter what your bell peppers look like, as long as they are in there to help your farting fucking power. If you want to make it pretty, because the ultimate warrior cares about what your fucking shit looks like. I care what your shit looks like. You can add some yellow into it so it looks fucking ultimate like me. Make your shit fucking yellow and ultimate. Now, you're going to add in the onions, and you're going to try not to be a fucking sissy and cry about your fucking onions. We have a purple onion to make your shit fucking rainbow powered like the gods of the Google have so commanded me to make it look like prismatic fucking shit. Try not to chop your fingers up while you are wearing the ultimate mask of the ultimate warrior. You do not want to go to the ultimate fucking hospital. Ultimate onions are in. Add in your seasonings. Lots of salt for the beans. Chili powder to burn your rectum, even more of it. And garlic. And cumin. And that is the ultimate fucking chili right there. That is what your shit is gonna look like in your fucking dreams in the ultimate warrior galaxy. We are going to stir our ultimate fart stew and let that cook for about 3 to 4 hours in the ultimate universe while we go to the gym and we look even more fucking ultimate for the gods of the Google Axe. Eat that, Vince McMahon! Eat my fucking shit and die! Now is the time to make the chili more fucking ultimate. More ultimate chili. We have here the meat, the protein, for the ultimate fart chili. Yeah, motherfuckers. So we're gonna make this more ultimate. We're gonna do the work of the ultimate warrior. All right, so can we do the work? Here is our chili. Look at the sizzle-tastic fucking goodness and ultimateness from the gods of the Google Axe. We are going to add in the meat and the cactus now. Ultimate sizzle-tastic meat from the creatures of the gods of the Gulag system are going to go into this chili. Oh yeah. Get all of your ultimate meat, all of your protein. You can just open it up and eat it from the fucking can. Get fucking ultimate chili. Next, in the ultimate chili, will go the fucking cactus from the gods of the Google Axe. Cactus, next. I have squeezed this cactus myself because I am fucking strong and ultimate. Vince McMahon, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Shawn Michaels and The Undertaker, I am ultimate. Alright, so we're gonna add our ultimate cactus, and our ultimate fart chili. And we're gonna fucking make it ultimate fart chili. Sizzletastic TV. Beat your cactus. Beat your cactus. Beat it. Watch the ultimate cactus go into the ultimate chili. That will help with our farting and shit powers. Right, fuck it there. Because even the fucking ultimate warrior gets fucking constipated. Fuck constipation. You will be ultimate! Ultimate chili. And now, we're going to add in some dark chocolate from Steven's Dark Candy Ass. Dark chocolate. That's what makes your chili fucking ultimate. And more chili powder of the hot Mexican variety. Ultimate! Stir this ultimate chili around and get ready to eat with the ultimate fucking fart warrior on Sizzletastic TV. Look at that ultimate fucking chili. This will make any god of the Google Act shit themselves. No more constipation. No more ultimate hemorrhoids. Just ultimate smooth shits with the ultimate chili. All of this ultimate chili has given me the ultimate farts. Hear my ultimate farts. Hear them on Sizzletastic TV. Make it ultimate. Ultimate farts. Gods of the Google Acts, gods of the universe, the ultimate chili is about done. We're gonna add in some liquid smoke from the farts of the ultimate fart warrior. Shawn Michaels, SummerSlam 2018, Undertaker, eat your heart out. We are ultimate. Is it ultimate time yet? That chili is ultimate! Yeah! So we're gonna take our chili and we're gonna put it in our bowl. We're gonna make it ultimate! I've got the title belt. Come get it from me. You can't, because you're not ultimate enough to come get my title belt, are you, Roman Reigns? Because I am ultimate. Okay. Chili. Moment of truth. Ultimate chili cock. Oh, yeah. Love. Ultimate. Yeah. So we made ultimate chili on Sizzletastic.tv. Adding all those ultimate ingredients. How do you like your ultimate chili?
It's wonderful.
It's wonderful. It's Sizzletastic! Say Sizzletastic TV!
Sizzletastic TV.
Like and subscribe, or the ultimate warrior will come from the gods of the Google system, and I will hunt you down!
In all seriousness, the Ultimate Warrior Master of my makeup. In all seriousness, the chili is actually really good with the cactus add-in and all that different spices. And I have 3 different types of chili pepper in here, and all those green chilies, and then the incorporation of the fresh onion. It's really good stuff.